Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the "there was an error adding Trello to Slack" issue. This problem usually happens because of permission issues, expired authorization, browser problems, or workspace restrictions during the integration setup. First, make sure you are logged in to the correct Slack workspace and the correct Trello account. Next, refresh or reload the page and try connecting Trello to Slack again. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Select cached images, files, cookies, and other site data, then click Delete Data. After that, open the setup page in an incognito or private window and temporarily disable any VPN or browser extension. Now try reauthorizing the Trello integration and approve all requested permissions during setup. If you are using a company or school workspace, check whether third-party app installation is restricted by the workspace admin. Finally, retry the Trello connection. In most cases, the issue is fixed once authorization, permissions, and browser conflicts are cleared. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Trello to Slack connection error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.